Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm so glad you joined. Today we'll be making the bunny's arms and ears. These will be the final parts we need to complete before putting everything together. First, let's start with the bunny's arms. We'll need to make 2 of these. Now let's dive into what you'll need to make it. Yarn in white color, preferably cotton yarn. A crochet hook, I'm using a hook size 3.00 millimeters. A yarn needle for sewing the parts together. Stitch markers help mark the beginning of each round. Scissors. And finally, some stuffing to give our rabbit its shape. First, let's start to make a magic ring. This part can seem tricky, but I'll go slow so you can follow along easily. Hold the end of your yarn in your left hand, letting it rest across your fingers. Wrap the yarn around your 2 fingers, index and middle, to create an X shape on top. Hold the crossover point between your thumb and finger to keep it steady. Slide your crochet hook under the first loop of the X and hook onto the yarn that's behind it. Pull the yarn under the first loop to bring it through. Now twist your hook to create a small loop. Chain 1 stitch to secure the loop and hold the ring together. This helps stabilize the magic ring and sets up for your next stitches. To check if you've made the magic ring correctly, gently pull the short yarn tail. If it tightens the loop, you've done it right. Round 1. Make 10 single crochets in the magic ring. Hold the base of your stitches with one hand. With the other hand, gently pull the short yarn tail to tighten the loop, bringing your stitches into a tight circle. From round 2 to round 20, we'll single crochet around in each stitch for the next 19 rounds, keeping 10 stitches in each round. Remember to lay the leftover yarn tail on top of your second round stitches as you crochet, so you can hide it now and won't have to weave it in later. Place the stitch marker to mark the beginning of this round. Continue crocheting until you finish this round. I'll see you at the end of it. Remember, we're only going to add a little stuffing to the bottom of the arm, leaving the top unstuffed. This gives the arm a more natural look and helps it lay flat against the body when we attach it. Once you've completed all 20 rounds, let's close off the top of the arm. Fold the arm flat and crochet through both sides using 5 single crochets to close it up. Then fasten off and leave a long tail for sewing. Now repeat all these steps for the second arm. Great! Now let's move on to the ears. Again, we'll need 2 of these. Round 1. Start with a magic ring, making 6 single crochets into the ring. Hold the base of your stitches with one hand. With the other hand, gently pull the short yarn tail to tighten the loop, bringing your stitches into a tight circle. Round 2. Work 1 single crochet, then an increase, repeating this 3 times to get 9 stitches. Continue crocheting until you finish this round. I'll see you at the end of it. Round 3. We'll do 2 single crochets, then an increase, repeating this 3 times to get 12 stitches. Continue crocheting until you finish this round. I'll see you at the end of it. Round 4. Work 3 single crochets, then an increase, repeating this 3 times to get 15 stitches. Continue crocheting until you finish this round. I'll see you at the end of it. From round 5 to round 16, we're going to single crochet a round in each stitch, keeping 15 stitches in each round. This will give the ear a nice floppy shape. Continue crocheting until you finish this round. I'll see you at the end of it. Fold the bunny's ear in half and use a yarn needle to sew it closed. And that's it. You've just finished crocheting the arms and ears for our bunny. In the next video, we'll put it all together by sewing the head, arms, and ears to the body. Then we'll add the final details, like her eyebrows, eyelashes, and a cute little nose. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any questions in the comments below.